Hey, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so now we're back, and basically, this is a video that I'm going to be doing, teaching you guys how to create your own website for your freebies account. Okay, a lot of you have been having trouble. This is the third video that I'm making about teaching you how to do your freebies, so I hope you guys pay attention. I'm going to do this part by part. Pay attention. Please pay attention and follow my directions verbatim, okay? Pause the video if you have to, and go and come back and do what you need to do, and then pause the video and then come back and do what you do until you get it all together, okay? So basically, we're going to go here to, you're going to create an account at Weebly.com, okay? You're going to create an account at Weebly.com, and once you create that account, you're going to come down here and you're going to click on Add Site, okay? So what it's going to bring you to a page like this. What you're going to do is you're going to come down here and click Other, okay? Simple. When you click Other, you're going to scroll down here, and it's going to say View More Themes, okay? Now, scroll down further, and you're going to look for a theme that has fruit, like this one right here. It's called Nectar or whatever, this fruity theme, fruit smoothie. Once we get here, you're going to come over here, and you're going to click on Start Editing. So now you don't have to use this theme, but I just like this theme. You could use any other theme. I just want you guys to understand, don't take everything verbatim, think outside the box. Use your own brain to think. Don't just, if I don't tell you all the minute details, just fill it in with this common sense, okay? So yeah, you don't have to use this theme, but this is just the theme that I'm choosing, okay? So when you get here, let's just call this freebies earning. Okay, it's called freebies earning, and we're going to click continue. And what we're going to do is first thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of these pages. Okay, so we're going to get rid of this menu, delete, about, delete, news, delete, and delete, and contacts. So you're going to create a new contact page. So you're going to delete that too. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come here, and then you're going to click on the plus sign, and you're going to come down here to standard page. Click standard page, and you're going to create a new home page. You're going to call that home. I'll just choose that here. Just type in home and done. Now you see one home is on top of each other. The top one, you're going to click this one, and you're going to delete that one, leaving the one that you just created. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to create the rest of our pages. Click that back button there, or you could just click on pages again. Go to the plus sign, and then go to standard pages, and you're going to click on, you're going to write step 1, beginner. Done. The next one you're going to come to, you're going to click on the plus sign, standard page, step 2, fast 15. Okay? And then you're going to be done. Okay? Now the next page you're going to do, you're going to click on plus, standard page, and you're going to create a page called Build Your Free Site. Okay, done. Now the Build Your Free Site page is going to be the page where you're going to put this video. Okay, the video that I'm creating right now, you're going to put it on this page, and your referrals will have a place to go so that they too can build a website. You cannot make money without a website. You have to have a website because you have to have a place where your people can go and understand what they're getting into before they join you. Okay, they're not going to join just by you sending them directly here to begin beginner freebies. They're not going to do that. They want to know what the damn business is about, and so you're going to have to tell them. So this is a way. This is how you're going to tell them and relay that message to them. Okay. Now that we built the Build Your Free Site page, what we're going to do is we're going to come here, and we're going to build a page called troubleshoot. And the last page that we're going to build in standard, we're going to build contact. Done. Okay. So now that we've gotten our pages built, okay, the next portion we're going to come back in here and we're going to start designing our pages. Okay. So I wanted you guys to get your page layout right here. So if you go to the top, you see home, beginner, step 1, step 2, home, step 1, step 1 beginner, step 2 fast 15, build free site, go to more section, and here's troubleshoot and contact. So now we're doing good, and we'll come back. This video, I have to make these videos kind of short or whatever. It takes up a lot of RAM, but once I come back, we'll start to design the actual pages for you guys. Okay, so stay tuned 1 second. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, now we're back. Now we're going to start designing our actual site. Just put welcome up here. I'm on the actual home page. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of these words right here. Don't click into the box. Just go here, and there should be an X. Just click that and delete. Now we want to change this background picture, so we're going to click here. Go to edit background and go to edit. And then we're going to go down here to change image. And we're going to scroll down here because there's some down at the bottom here. There is some laptop pictures. There we go. So we're going to use that. Slide the black down so that'll make a good background. Yeah, slide it down like that. All right, and then we're going to click save. So now that we got that save, all we're going to do is just fill in this bottom part with what's on the step 1 page of my page. Excuse me. This is the home page of my site. So the home page will have this. You can come to my site and pick out everything that you need. What you're going to do is you're going to go to build. Okay, so up here where it says build, you're going to click that. Now you're going to go to title. And you're going to slide the title box, drop it. Okay, so click into the box and right click and paste. Now, as you see, all the stuff that was on my page is now on your page, but now what you need to do is you need to center it. So you're going to come here to where these little lines are, these little funny little squiggly lines. You're going to scroll down to the second one. When it pops open, 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to go to the second one. And that's going to do that. It's going to center all the words. Now you're going to put an embedded code right under the bottom because you need a video there. Okay. Like I said, you can use your video, you can create a video, or you can use my video. If you're going to use a video, make sure you're expressive about about what's going on as my video is in order to get the results. So you're going to come here and you're going to copy embedded code, go back to your page and click inside of the box, click edit, and then you're going to paste. Click outside I want to change this to 500 and change this to 1,000. And then click outside the box. And that's cool, just like that. Now under the bottom, what you're going to do is you're going to put 2 buttons. Did I put 2? Yeah, I put 2 buttons. So you're going to put 2 buttons there. Going to drag the button icon and drop it. And then you're going to drag the button icon again and put it on the top or bottom. And basically, what you're going to do is you're going to name these buttons. Now, the first button should be named Step 2 Fast. Oh, excuse me. Step 2 Beginner. And this next button is going to be Step 2 Fast 15. Okay. Now, step 1. All right, so now step 1 should go to the actual Beginners Superior Freebies website. And then this step 2 button should go not to the Fast 15 website, but it should go to your step 2 page. So this button will lead to your step 2 page, okay? Oh, actually, excuse me. This button should lead to your step 1 page. This button should lead to your step 2 page. They should not go directly to the beginner and Fast 15 sites. So what you're going to do is you're going to click into step 1, and you're going to go to link, and then you're going to go to standard page. All of your web pages that you create is in standard page. So you're going to go to standard page. You're going to click on step 1 beginner, and that links the page to that. Click inside of this box here, go to link, go to standard page, and go to step 2 Fast 15, because that's what it'll be, and you click outside. Now those 2 pages are linked to these 2 pages here. Okay, now we're going to go to step 1. I guess you're going to go to step 1 page, and we're going to continue the process. Like I said, guys, I have my processing speeds or whatever. I have a lot of stuff in this particular computer that I'm on. So I'm going to come back in the second video, and then we're going to do step 1, and we're going to do step 2, and then we're going to come back and we're going to do the build your free site, and we're going to do the troubleshooting and the contact page. Okay, so just give me a second, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, guys, we're back, and we're on the beginners page. Okay, so what we're going to do here first is we're going to remove this, and we're going to get rid of this picture. Click under the bottom of that little line, just click under there and click on edit, and then come down here to change image. We're going to scroll down and change this image to another computer pic. Okay, we're going to go here, and then we're going to click on save. Okay, so now that we got that picture there, what we're going to do is we're going to drag down the title again, because we're going to have a title to the page, of course, and we're going to go here, go back to my page, and go to step 1. Click on step 1, and it'll take you to my step 1 page so we can get the information. Okay, so right here, you're going to just copy this. Just copy that up there, the title. Go back here, and you're going to click inside of this box, and you're going to paste. Now you're going to center. Just make sure it's centered, and you're going to click outside the box. Now what you're going to do is you're going to drag an embed code, because you're going to want to put a video there. Now if that blue line is is up there, don't worry about it. Just drop it. It'll be where it's supposed to be. Okay. So now the blue line is there. I mean, yeah, here we go. So we're going to click into here. Oh, let's go back and get that video. So I'm going to scroll down here, and we're going to take this video here, and we're going to copy embedded code from the video. And we're going to take it back down here, and we're going to click on edit. And we're going to paste the embedded code right there, paste. The video should be 1,000. So we're going to put that at 0, 0, 0. This right here should be at 5. So we just change that to a 5. And then we click outside, and it should be perfect. Yes. Okay. So now that we have that page set, what we're going to do is we need some buttons. So we're going to drag the button icon, and we're going to drop it. The button icon is to your left right here. We're going to grab it again, because we're going to need 2 buttons. We could drop it at the bottom or the top. Doesn't matter. Just drop it. Okay, so now these 2 buttons are the way they are. This button is going to be going directly to your Superior Freebies account. So what you're going to do is this button is going to be step 1, beginner. Okay, and this button right here is going to be step 2 Fast 15. Fast 14. Step 2 Fast 15. Okay, so now basically we want Fast 15. We don't want this Fast 15 button to go to the actual Fast 15 site on Superior Freebies. We want this Fast 15 button to go here to this Fast 15 page right here. So what we're going to do again is we're going to click into this box. We're going to click on link, and we're going to click on standard pages, because that's where that page is. Standard page, and we're going to click on step 2, fast 15, and it's going to it says unlinked, so obviously it's linked. Going to click outside of there. Now for the step 1 beginner link, you're going to go into your beginner account, and you're going to go here. Here is my link. Your link will be something different. You're going to copy this link. Copy this link right here. You're going to copy that link, and you're going to put that link in here. Okay, so let me copy it. Let me show you guys. Just make sure that's all right. That's only highlighted, and you copy. Go back here and click into here. Now you're going to click on link. Instead of clicking standard page, you're going to click on website URL, paste, and you're going to click outside of that box. And now that button right there is a link to this link right here. Okay? And that's how you do that. So far, so good. I hope you guys have been following my directions. A lot of you guys, some people just think they can't follow directions, you know, so I hope this time, you know, you guys can get it. Now this right here where it says, if you don't see your credit show up in the video, I should have made a troubleshooting page for this, but I didn't, but you guys can. So all you're going to do is put this on your troubleshooting page, and we're going to get back to that. Okay. So, now that we've created the, this right here, let's go back. I actually need to fix my own site, but we're going to go to step 2. Okay, and we're going to copy all of this. This is fast 15 superior, so we're going to copy this. Now we're going to go over to your website, and we're on fast 15 right now, and we're going to drop this here and paste the title there. Also, we're going to center it. Okay, so this is for the fast 15 now. Now we forgot to go. I just didn't get around to it yet, to coming up here and fixing this. But we're gonna click that and change the picture. We don't want that juice picture sitting there, so we're gonna go to edit, change, laptop, select, and we're going to save. All right, so now we're going to put this video under the bottom. We're going to grab the editing, and we're going to drop that editor right there. And go back to this site, and we're going to get this, copy the embedded code from my Fast 15 page back to your Fast 15 page, which should be right here. You're going to click inside of there and paste it. We're going to change this again to 1,000. And we're going to change the 6 to a 5. Click outside of the box, and that's going to be there like that. Okay. So now we're going to just make a fast 15 button. And when we put that button, we drop that button there. We want that button in the center. So we're going to go here to position. Just click inside of the box, and this little box up here. Click on the middle, and that will change the position to the middle. Now we highlight that, and we type step 2 fast 15. Okay, so click outside of that box. Now we're going to need our code for fast 15. So what you're going to do is you're just going to highlight your fast 15 link, copy, go back here, click inside the fast 15, go to link, website URL, and we're going to paste. That's it. Once you paste that in there, click outside of there. Now your page is all set up for that. Now you're good to go. To build your free website page, obviously you're going to use I'm going to make one long video. I'm going to piece all these videos together, make one long video about the website, and you're going to put this on this page. So you're going to drag this title here, and you're going to click here and type build your free site. Center it, and okay, center it, and you can make it larger by just highlighting it and then clicking the plus button. It can make it larger. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on the embed code, drop it under the bottom there, and you're going to put your video URL, which is I'm going to give to you, and it's going to be here. And it's going to be on my YouTube channel if you need that video or whatever. And also you want to make sure you change this image in this background. I showed you guys 10 times how to change this. So you're going to change that or whatever. And the last but not least, the page that there's 2 more pages that we're going to do. The troubleshooting page, I want you to drag and drop this image. You're going to drag and drop the HTML code, and you're going to go back to my page, and you're going to click back. Okay, I want you to be on the. I want you to go to Step 1 Beginners Superior Freebies. Click that button, and scroll down till you get to the second video. The second video right here, it's orange. What you're going to do is you're going to highlight this. Okay, now I want you to take the title and put it above. Just drop it in that box. Click into the title and paste. Okay, now in the bottom box right here, I want you to go back to the page, right click, copy embedded code, and paste that in here. Okay, again, 1,000 and 500. Oh, yeah, 500. Okay, that's it. So yeah, it's just going to show them how to create embedded code. Come down to contacts, and what you're going to do is you're just going to grab a contact form, and you're going to drop it, and you're going to say, contact me. That's it. Or contact us, whatever you want to put. If you have a different contact email, just click here, form. The contact is going to lead to whatever email you use to create this Weebly account. But if you want a different contact, just go here, form options, and put in whatever email you want this to go to. Because when they come down here and hit submit, that's where it's going to go to, whatever email's in there. So once you do that, you're going to publish the site. Okay, you're going to come down here, hit continue. And let's look at the site, see how it looks. There we go. The site here, you got your pages here. Okay. Your other pages here. Build your free site is going to be right here. The video is going to be there. And troubleshoot. You got your troubleshoot page right there, and then your contact page. That's it, guys. That's it for building the website. It's very simple. All you guys had to do is just follow the instructions, change that picture on those pages, and that's it. Now we're going to move on to the traffic part of the site or whatever, but I hope you guys enjoyed this training. Talk to you guys soon.